100 trillion years from now, the last of a great civilization hides in the darkness. Throughout their glory days, their engineers worked entire star systems. They dismantled planets and asteroids to construct an immense interstellar empire. But now, in the twilight of their time, all of this is long gone. All around them, the universe is dying as the last of the stars are going out. Over countless millennia, the sky has continued to fade into an eternal night, the aging universe gripped by desolation and decay. And so, in the darkness, they wait for the end. Long before they had realized it was coming, they knew that the universe was on a path of inevitable decline. Methodically, they hunted for a final place to wait out eternity, and embarked on their last great feat of engineering. Around a lost and lonely black hole, they built a new home. With demolished worlds as raw materials, they constructed a shell to completely enclose the darkness.